PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania has years of experience as commercial HVAC contractors, and we provide high-quality repair and installation services. Our commercial HVAC contractor offers rapid AC repair solutions and installs all brands of furnaces and air conditioners. Call our commercial HVAC contractor if you have questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is the difference between commercial and residential HVAC? A commercial HVAC system is modular, whereas a residential unit is standalone. Commercial HVAC systems are usually housed together, whereas residential units are divided into indoor and outdoor units. What is commercial HVAC lifespan? The average life expectancy of commercial HVAC systems is 15 to 20 years if recommended maintenance is followed. What is your service area for the Glen Mills, Pennsylvania Commercial HVAC Contractor Service Office? Our commercial HVAC contractor have helped clients in Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Birmingham, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Garnet Valley, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your Glen Mills, Pennsylvania Commercial HVAC Contractor Service Office located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Baltimore-Pike-Glen-Mills-HVAC-Service.